at a storage place. I think last time we picked up the white M3, now we're picking up the red one for our guy Brett. Let's see. So, let's see. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Does it run at all or no?
Yeah, it runs.
It runs? Okay.
I don't know, it's like you want to spin it around or whatever.
Yeah, let me spin around and then I'll have you just drive it up if you don't mind. Okay. Let's see. Where do we want to spin around though? Let's see. Storage place. Can I go there? Let's try. Let's try backing it in so I can see the Challenger that's parked on the corner for some reason a little better. Let's turn those on. Make sure everybody sees this. Let's not hit the wall and say we did. So that would be not good. Is there a curb right there? I can't tell. I don't think so. There's a yellow pole. So I'm far away from the yellow pole. I just don't want to hit a curb. Storage places are always fun backing into or trying to flip around. Alright. I don't know why he wouldn't just wait until I get here to fucking... I don't know. It doesn't matter. I have to flip around at some point anyways. Alright. Hit the bags. Roll that window up. Line up with the M-Trace. Don't think... it's probably on the call, but haven't taken note of what year this one is. Guessing 89-ish, somewhere. Alright. Huh?
See ya.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
What's going on with this one?
I'm probably moving stuff out of here up
Oh, very good.
to my garage. Is almost done.
Hell yeah.
But I'm stopping at the shop first.
Ultimate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say, I couldn't remember if you took yours there. I was hoping so, but yeah.
The fluid runs, I think inject is kind of light.
Oh, gotcha. Probably just need to be cleaned. Probably sticking, closed.
Yeah, I think probably.
Yeah.
And the cat has a death rattle.
The cat rattles? Get rid of it. We don't need that.
Yeah, I'm insured by Haggerty, so I don't do
Fuck 'em. Alright. Did we use ramps last time, do you remember? For the other one?
Yeah.
I think so, right? It's just because this is fiberglass, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we're not gonna chance that. I knew we used ramps, I just always like to make sure people know. How's the white one been?
Oh, good. That's actually up at the house now.
Hell yeah.
Really working nice.
Love to hear it. You drive it often, or?
This one,
No. Yeah.
the new garage is close to my other house.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot easier.
Would you get a toy barn or something?
No, I actually bought a house with this huge RV garage, like
Oh, nice.
2,500 square foot.
Oh, shit.
60-foot high ceilings.
Hell yeah. That's awesome. Nice.
Well, the same as the toy box.
Right, and it's yours.
And you get a house.
Right. Hell yeah. All right. Do you want me to drive it up or you want to? Okay. Doesn't matter to me. Ooh. No worries. I'll be nice. Let me get pictures real quick too. I always forget that. Let's see. What year is this one? 89. That's what I thought. Probably because I read it on the call and just didn't remember until just now, but...
Yeah, you know this one.
Yeah. Are the stock wheels that come with these like 8 inches wide, or the...
These are stuff.
No, I'm saying like, yeah, are they like 8s though?
No, they're like
And they fit that media of a tire? That's cool.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sort of a,
I mean, it's kind of bubbly, but it still looks great.
it's sort of at the limit.
Right. It's the best way to do it. You gonna want the window up just so I know? Okay. Does the clutch need to be in to start it?
Yeah.
Okay. Some cars don't. You never know. Oh, it's the cat rattling, that's what he said. Ooh. She doesn't like it. Let's use the handbrake here. Clutch release is so high. You want to try? You want to give it a shot? I think I'm just not giving it the beans enough, but I don't want to hurt it. It definitely sounds like it's missing a little bit.
It's going to the shop so you can.
Right, I try to be careful with other people's stuff, you know. That rattling cat's scaring me too. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have revved it that high. Sit there for a second, just hold your foot on the brake. I'll make you flat, but hold your foot on the brake because you're like right on the edge.
I got it.
Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. I'm talking like right on the edge. Like, hold on. I want to hold you just to make sure. Go ahead. All right. Hold the brake. That was sketchy. let me get it strapped down. I'll have you jumped off. Just set the parking brake crazy and then leave it in neutral for me. Are you going up there with me? No? Okay. I'll have one of the guys jump in and roll it down for me then. And you can just leave the keys in the ignition, obviously. Let me get this one, and you should be good. Huh?
It's always good to be sketchy on a Friday.
Oh yeah. As long as it works out.
Well, then it's not sketchy, it's dumb.
Right. Yeah, exactly. You got that right. When you step out, just be careful because my strap is right here. All right. Yeah, just let off slow. Yeah, you're good. Watch your door on the plant there. Watch the strap. Don't trip, please. All right. I got it. All right. All right. Perfect, perfect. I'll give it a little air bath on the way too there.
100 miles an hour.
No. Is that just like sealant leaking out or what?
Yeah.
From the heat?
Yeah. That's why it's kind of. Actually, this is the last beer.
Oh yeah? Hell yeah.
This is place that guarantees some cooler air,
Hell yeah.
and B is air conditioning.
In the garage? That's fucking awesome, dude. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'll send you the bill.
Right. Right.
One of the guys like took home and detailed it.
Oh yeah.
So I go, oh shit, he's gonna be pissed. And he's not here today. And I go, perfect.
There you go.
Close it down.
Right. Any plans for a lift, or is there one in there already?
Yeah, I said I'm putting 4 lifts total in.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Trying to get
No way. All BMWs? Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. Nice.
Play with the fleet a bit.
For sure.
It out and
Yeah.
get some new stuff.
Nice. What year Mini?
It's the last year of the car.
Oh, okay. The John Cooper Works one?
Yeah.
Nice. Hell yeah. Manual, I assume.
Oh yeah.
Very good. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. It gets up there, I'm sure. I heard those are really hard to fit like aftermarket wheels on.
This has like the biggest factory ones there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like I guess the space between the fender and the spindle or something is like you got to get it right there.
Oh, we bought it. It was like, and bought it in California.
Nice.
And had it over there for a while, and then it's like, oh, we gotta like raise this up a little bit. The roads over there are horrible.
Right.
Like, you hit anything, it's like your teeth fall off.
Right. Are they damper adjustable? Can you not just soften them up?
No, it's just to the right. I was going into the
bump stops.
Yeah.
Oh shit. All right, let me turn the truck off real quick. All right. All right, starting the clip just a touch early because don't want to be focused on messing with my phone while I'm driving back here. Oh, they got rid of the boat. Thank Christ. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. Some people got offended. I was saying stuff. I'm thankful that there's no boat back here anymore. Oh, it's right there. Fuck. And it's kind of even more in the way right there. What the shit? Why don't they just get rid of this thing? Shit. Whose boat is that? It's gotta be one of theirs, right? Whatever. Doesn't matter. E36 race car. I think it's one of those shop cars. Yeah. Sick. Hopefully our guy comes out because I need him to roll it down because I don't trust this handbrake. Because as you saw when I was trying to drive it up, it was not holding. Boom, 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 boom. Ra-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta. Right about there. Come on. Okay. Let's get the ramps and then we'll go find him if he's not out here by then. I think the bed needs to go up just a hair. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Da, da, da. Dun, dun. Doors, doors, doors. Real fake doors. Right about there. And Another sick E30. Let's see. I just need someone to roll the car down because he drove it up and I don't trust the parking brake.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So whoever's got a second, yeah, I appreciate it. It's running on 5 cylinders, but he just sent it up. I was like, okay. So if you want to jump in, just hold the brake. And then when you get it down, you can start it. Like I said, it's just running on 5. He says it feels like a stuck injector, but who knows. All right, foot on the brake. Ooh, almost tripped. All right, so we'll go to the edge of the edge of the bed. I'll double check the ramps and we'll go from there. Good. Keep going, keep going. Hold. All right, let me just set this. Go ahead, nice and slow, straight back. That'll do it. Yep, the rattling too is just the cat, just so you know. Okay. I heard it and I was like, oh fuck. Alrighty. Dun, dun, dun. Thanks again.
Of course. Thank you.
Yes, sir. What was that making that noise over at Go AZ? Let's see. I don't see anything. I was gonna push the camera over if there was anything, but I don't see anything. Something must have drove away. All right, let's get our drop-off picture. Get the fuck out of here. All right, we are caught up. See you on the next one.